of come pay me my money. Wake up, come pay me my money. You don't know me again.
You talk and see the meaning of progress. Now where I deliver.
You don't owe me money, they come here me of progress.
Now, you know where I is?
Where you dey?
Now anybody where you see where they sleep, you go wake up.
You don't come back, Abi. Come pay me my money.
I don't get your money now. You don't get anything where you go do. You don't get anything where you go do.
I don't fit do anything, Abi.
You don't get anything where you go do. You don't get anything where you go do.
Okay.
Like this now. Now 10,000 why I owe you the carry fridge of 200,000. That's why you do your own. 10,000 why they owe you. I think say I go give you money. Now small bet why I bet now. You remain small to play. Now my fridge where I carry so. Hey! Because of 10,000, this guy they carry my fridge.